Let's make an avocado ice cream like this. Very creamy and beautiful flavors. Not only that, there's a twist in the ice cream. Please see the whole video. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the whole recipe. Joss Moses Kitchen. Let's make the ice cream. We need 4 avocados. Cut into half. Remove the seed. Take the flesh out. If you need more tips, it's there in my shorts. How to remove avocado beautifully. Transfer to a blender. Roll some lemon. Remove the seeds and squeeze it. Just half. Add half cup of sugar. Half cup of cream. And blend into fine silky paste like this. Onto a bowl, add 3.5 cup of cream using a hand blender. Blend it. Beat until it is thick into big level like this. When you flip around, it should stay like this. Onto that cream, add condensed milk 300 ml and the important flavoring agent, the avocado paste we just made, and fold it beautifully. Transfer half of the ice cream to a container. Cover it and place in the freezer. Onto the other half, we need desiccated sweet coconut, 1 cup. Add to the avocado mix and fold. Transfer to a container. Sprinkle some more coconut. Lid and freeze overnight or at least to 6 to 8 hours in the freezer. Then you will get a creamy ice cream like this. Let's taste the ice cream. First, we will taste the coconut one. Really creamy. The coconut, avocado blends it perfectly. So delicious. A velvety ice cream. Silky, velvety, delicious. What are the words, right? So beautiful. Let's try the avocado one. Both are so good. If you like this recipe, please try it, share it, comment it, and subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Not only this ice cream, there is snow ice cream. I made it before. Please visit my channel to see the whole recipe. Bye.